Costa Rica's fast-growing medical tourism industry owes its existence to tourists, primarily from the United States and Canada, traveling to get medical and surgical procedures done abroad. Why do so many Americans and Canadians choose Costa Rica for health care rather than getting it done at home? Let's find out. What makes Costa Rica a popular spot for medical tourists? Medical treatments are usually about 50 to 70% cheaper than in the United States, and no one has to wait their turn for surgery. Easily accessible from the United States and Canada, there are frequent flights from important cities in both these countries. Also, Americans and Canadians staying in Costa Rica for less than 90 days don't require a visa. They do need a passport that's valid for at least 30 days. Because of the presence of top private accredited hospitals and clinics in Costa Rica, it's very common for leading doctors and surgeons in Costa Rican hospitals to have gained experience, certifications, or trainings from the United States. Traditionally, the procedures that have been popular with medical tourists in Costa Rica have been cosmetic and dental treatments. But with growing standards of medical care, there's rapid medical tourism demand for various other surgeries and medical procedures. Great places in Costa Rica for a vacation. Costa Rica's unique geographic location, it has the Pacific Ocean on one side and the Caribbean Sea on the other, has endowed it with beautiful, pristine beaches, lush green mountains formed by volcanic eruptions, dense rainforests, lakes, and rivers. All these help support some of the most diverse plant and animal life on the planet. Costa Rica also has many active volcanoes and hot springs. Sometimes called the Switzerland of Central America, Costa Rica is famous for microclimates where in an hour's travel one may experience weather from very hot and humid to hot and dry to cold and rainy. If the doctor allows it, and depending on what suits your temperament, you could take a peek at one of Costa Rica's active volcanoes like Arenal, or one of the widest craters in the world like Poas, and bathe in the hot water springs, or visit the rainforests, wildlife parks, or go for a hike. Not to forget the many beaches, butterfly gardens, rivers or lake tours, museums, fishing or scuba diving, coffee farm tours, or even a visit to the National Theater, if you're interested in orchestral music. Costa Rican food. Unlike other Latin American countries, the local food in Costa Rica is not spicy. For chicken connoisseurs, a must-try local dish is the wood-fire roasted chicken. For those who may miss good old American fast food, there are many franchise restaurants such as McDonald's, Pizza Hut, and Kentucky Fried Chicken that you can visit. The spirit of pura vida. Costa Rica is a foreigner-friendly country. It attracts more than 2 million tourists every year. The phrase pura vida means differently, full of life, purified life, this is living, or going great, and reflects the easygoing, relaxed lifestyle of Costa Ricans. Costa Rica has a special police force called Tourist Police that exists just to assist tourists with directions and to answer their questions. A politically stable country, Costa Rica does not have an army. It has a high standard of living when compared to that of other Latin American countries, and also a stable economy. It has a literacy rate of 96% and the lowest crime rate in the region. Many United States and Canadian citizens and Europeans choose to retire to Costa Rica because of the low cost of living, comfortable climate, and its unspoiled natural habitats. Healthcare in Costa Rica compares with the best in the world. It's no surprise, then, that the UNDP's 2007-2008 Human Development Report puts the average life expectancy in Costa Rica at 78.5 years, above that of the United States' 77.9 years. Popular souvenirs to bring home from Costa Rica are the fresh-from-the-farm coffees and the variety of handcrafted wooden items. It's illegal in Costa Rica to try to export any plants or animals, or even seashells or rocks. Factors to consider when going for medical treatment to Costa Rica. Spanish is the main language in Costa Rica, but English is frequently used in tourist spots like hotels, resorts, leading hospitals, and clinics. In hospitals, there are always interpreters available. At most places in Costa Rica, the American dollar is accepted. Most United States cell phones do not work in Costa Rica. Before you set out from your home country, it's a good idea to check with your cell phone provider about the coverage and call rates in Costa Rica. Don't expect the blazing internet speeds that you may be used to in Canada or the United States. Travelers should use licensed taxis, which are red with medallions, yellow triangles containing numbers, painted on the side. Licensed taxis at the airport are painted orange. Medical Tourism Corporation has arranged its network hospitals in Costa Rica to have special guest suites designed to comfortably accommodate the patient and the accompanying guest while in the hospital. Also, Medical Tourism Corporation has made special arrangements with recovery resorts that have 24/7 nursing for any post-hospital discharge care, with adequate arrangement for the comfort of the accompanying guest. There's always an English-speaking personal care manager at the medical destination. So if you're looking for medical care abroad, Costa Rica is one of the best places to consider seriously. Even if you're just planning a vacation, you may go to Costa Rica for pleasure and save some money by getting any pending medical or dental care done while there. There couldn't be a better place than Costa Rica to recuperate and unwind. So, medical tourism in Costa Rica is a complete package of health, fun, and savings. We hope this video will help you decide on a medical tourism destination of your choice.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com, for a free quote and more information.